Busy week? Here's the Intense 5. I feel lots of countries are breathing a sigh of relief after it was announced that Jamaica had pulled out of the World Relays. Much to the disappointment, though, of our athletes, but due to travel restrictions and, of course, COVID, the governing body said it's better to be safe than sorry.
Derek Chauvin guilty to all 3 counts. I think everyone was rejoicing when they heard the verdict. He will be sentenced in a few weeks. Black Lives Matter.
And the volcano continues to erupt. Persons in St. Vincent are hoping for the day when the eruptions and earthquakes stop. We hope this will happen soon as well. Just please be safe.
Yes. Word of advice. When you're promoting a song, be very careful whose name you're calling in the song and what you say about the person. Just gonna leave that there.
Yeah. And finally, holding the
Number 1
spot this week. It hit us all hard, very hard, when we heard that our colleague Michael Sharp passed away. Still seems so unreal. We, of course, offer condolences to his friends and family. But on another serious note, guys, please stop the threats against the nurse who gave him the vaccine. She has nothing to do with his death.
Exactly.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us at TVJ Intense for everything entertainment and more.